We reinvent tomorrow, choosing today. On July the 10th, 1856, Nikola Tesla was born, the man who revolutionized electromagnetism, setting the stage for all future revolution. 165 years later, in the midst of the digital era and in the most complex and unsure mobility revolution, Reinova is born. Our mission is to create innovation, imagining a world in which life can become easier for all. Reinova is the cradle in which innovation meets creativity, to design progress, a place where exceeding the obvious becomes a constant pursuit of perfection. Technology merges with the power of conceiving, composing magical visions of a more connected, shared and sustainable future. Choice means responsibility, taking decisions and drawing the path anticipating needs in a continuous innovation process towards the creation of a better tomorrow. Because future is built on the choices made in the present, led by an extraordinary vision based on the deep values of our mission: passion, curiosity, creativity, intuition, commitment. This is what drives us in our challenge with progress, in reaching the high peaks of innovation, safeguarding the planet. We work as one. We are Reinova.